What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on the track a lot, smoothing it out, getting a lot of work done out there for all the guys to come out and ride. And it's a lot safer now, so all the jumps, if y'all are watching us on TikTok, you seen last night, all the jumps are where you can roll over them. You don't have to go around, go through trees or none of that. So overall, a lot more safer. We were out there this morning, and Dawson jumped on Hartley's bike, just going to look at the track. And this is what happened. He has practically cooked the brake rotor. And Hartley's inside, and he doesn't even know about it yet. So we're trying to fix it for him. We're not going to tell him, but we're going to try to make it rideable. Because if he cannot ride today after he did all that work to the chain and the sprocket and the track, he is going to be hot. Ty's 250 out here today on the track. We got the little 50. Y'all stay tuned for that. Lanier's probably going to kill himself. We got Riley's 450. Then we got my 250. And we just put the new graphics on this thing. It turned out freaking sick, dude. It looks amazing. Now, before we get started and get into the action, I want to tell everybody, make sure you like and subscribe. Hit that bell. Turn on the notifications so y'all know when we upload. We upload every Monday. And yeah. What we got going on right now, I'm going to try to film Hartley's reaction as much as I can before he throws a ratchet at me.
Set up a camera.
Yeah, we'll probably have to set up something because he is going to be livid when he comes out here and he finds out his baby has been backed into by a skid steer. What we're doing now, trying to bend it back out. Going to put a little bit of heat to it.
Hartley still has not came out.
Hartley still has not came outside.
Oh, there he is. He just opened the door.
I can hear the crickets. Crick. Did get the old girl fixed up and good enough to ride. The fork guard's a little messed up, but that's why Hartley keeps new plastics around here. So yeah, all we gotta do is untweak these bars, and he's ready to rip. Look at the man. He just wanted to ride, dude.
So we're redoing the track and we're making a little tabletop right here. Lanier got the excavator out here and added more dirt to it real quick, and we got that jump down here. Now this was little whoops, but no one really liked them, so he's making a little tabletop jump for us real quick. That boy know what he's doing. So now we got Lanier making this tabletop. That boy knows what he's doing on tractors. Oh yeah, that's gonna be nice. That's gonna be a nice clean jump. It don't look big on camera, but it's a decent jump. You come out of that berm and just shoot it over. Then you got that other jump all the way down there. Yeah, it's gonna be a nice little jump, little feature to the track, and then we're gonna build right here. Before we built jumps right here, we used to have that small jump. We built other jumps that go like this, and then right before those jumps over there, we're gonna build more little whoops over there just to add on to the track a little bit. But yeah, it's going along, we're getting there.
the yen. Tell them again and again. Homie, know we are not friends. I go to Tokyo. They tellin' lies from Tokyo. Shorty, she ride like rodeo. I get the dope and no overdose. I've been on the block like J-Lo. I seen devils out there ride halos. Before they come up, sometimes gotta lay low. Think about that like Play-Doh. Man, the girl ain't famous.
Keystar TV, we back at it here in the daggum shop. We flipping all the bikes on the cold start.
Listen, we got new graphics on Lawson's bike. Come here.
Put them on it! Put them on the graphics!
New graphics. Hey,
Heck
yeah.
Hey, really nice. Prestige wrinkles. Prestige wrinkles.
That thing is shiny, boy.
For sure, she's good to go.
Heck yeah, Keegan.
Yeah, hey, we got all the units out here. Especially the fucking
Oh, the little 50?
the old 50.
Can't beat old 50. Hell yeah.
We're just out here having a good night.
Hell yeah, Keegan. What you think, Dawson? What you think? Heck yeah.
Oh, yeah.
What you think? What you think?
Hey, I just want to say.
Show the new 37s.
Hey, Dawson. Hey, I'm talking to the viewers. Hey, no, this fucking viewers. The viewers want to see the truck scene too. Hey, listen, the viewers need to care about our veterans.
Yeah. Talk to the camera, not me, Keegan.
Hey, show the new 37s.
Oh. Them things looking sharp, Dawson.
Thank you, my boy.
What you think? What you think?
Alright, we're gonna check out the
Oh, the Ford, huh?
Listen, and it's a platy. It's
Oh, it's a Platy.
platy.
Oh.
but we got the 12
Heck yeah, dude.
all terrain.
Oh my god. That thing's
Yeah.
nice, dude.
Look at them from the front though.
They look,
where you really get it.
they look pretty good.
Where you get it.
Heck yeah, dude. Hey, yeah, you need to get you some graps now. Get you, don't fall, bit all.
I'm alive, baby. Watch out, he's a fighter.
Hartley! What you think about tonight?
Well, everybody, as y'all can see, another successful weekend out at the track with all the guys. We had some smaller bikes come out. Lanier bought a little 52 stroke. He had a blast on that thing. He laid it down a few times. We added a lot of new additions to the track, so there was a lot of adjusting today. I feel like everybody did great and everybody did good. Hartley, we added some whoops. Hartley got out here and got a little sideways. He fell and messed up his tailbone pretty bad. But other than that, it was a smooth day all around. We had Lanier's little cousins come out on a 110 and a 125, and they were just getting at it all day long. I think they enjoyed it more than we did. But yeah, make sure y'all subscribe, hit that like button, hit that bell so y'all know when we post. We post every Monday. And y'all stay tuned. We're going to switch the content up here pretty soon, start going to some local tracks hopefully. We got some dunes that we plan on going to, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, with us, you never really know. So y'all just stay tuned. And yeah, catch y'all on the next one.
I'm finna fly to Japan. I'm gonna stagger the yen. Tell them again and again. Homie, know we are not